Guys, Ronald with Technically Speaking. Today we're doing a review on Samsung Galaxy Watch. Let's get into it. Today we're doing a review on the 46mm Bluetooth LTE version of the watch, which has a 22mm black band on it. And the watch is actually silver with a black bezel and a black band, onyx black band on it. So open it up, see what's in the box. Before I open this, I will say I had to open this box up already and charge up the watch because it has to be charged fully before you actually turn it on. So let's open it up, see what's in the box. Watch. Put that to the side. Quick manual. USB Type-C card. And another piece of another one of the bands in case you break the first one. Comes with an extra band for it. This is your charger port. It's actually magnetic, so the watch actually sticks to it. Just set the watch on it, and it sticks to it and charges up. Wireless. And you have your charger brick. This is all that comes in the box. So let's turn it on. Before I turn it on, let's talk about the watch. On the back it has the little sensor, the heart sensor on the back of the watch. And on the front it has this bezel with a nice little click to it. As you can rotate it, has a nice little click to it. On this side they have two buttons. Guessing that's probably like some kind of mode or operation buttons, maybe a volume up and down type button. It's a metal case, and the band is like a strong rubber band on it. It's actually running Samsung's Tizen operating system, and it has a 4-day battery life on this particular version. Just coming on, taking a little while. I never cut the watch on, so this is actually the first time I actually cut it on. It's loading up. Download the Galaxy wearable app on your phone to pair your phone and watch. So I downloaded the app, trying to pair it with it. It recognized the watch. It's the two screens I got. To get started, check that the number below matches what's shown on the watch. It matched. Setting up your phone. That's fast. Mobile service for your watch. Connect your watch to the Sprint network. Yes, I have Sprint. Just connect. Say it's a connect button. I hit the connect button. Actually takes a little bit of time to do all of this. While we're waiting, check out my new Technically Speaking t-shirts. I have some of these available for free for you guys in the giveaway I'm gonna do coming real soon. Keep watching out for that. Okay, it has 2.6 gigabytes of storage on it. has 386.9 megabytes of RAM. Let's check out the watch. Change some of the watch faces. I'm just pick anything real quick, something simple. Alright. Guys, so basically this is like your home screen with your clock on it. And if you rotate it rotate the bezel to your left, which is counterclockwise, it takes you to your notifications. They have the top button on the right side is the back button, which takes you back to the home screen. And the bottom button, it opens up like your apps, all the apps that you've installed or that's pre-installed. You could actually use the bezel to rotate from app to app. I preloaded YouTube on here. Show you how it looks. And to do text on it, you could either write it in with your finger, which I find pretty hard on a small screen, or they have the nine key text with the numeral numbers like an old phone, or you could actually just say it, talk to it, like do the speech. Actually not as bad as you would think it is. And it actually has a speaker on it too, so turn the speaking volume up. Alright. And if you rotate to your right, you could have some screens already set. You could set up some screens to pop up with certain things. I have the weather set up. This is somewhere you can have like a quick loader with certain apps and applications set on it. You can add more to this. This is like calories and steps and things like that. Heart rate monitor. You can add contacts, create reminder, set events, measure your stress, do a workout, play music. And I added a calendar, calorie burn, things like that. Normal things you'll find on a small watch. It actually has a pretty good speaker on it also. Button is to open up your applications. And you could just press on the screen, select, and make calls from it directly from the watch. You could do the Samsung Pay, has the Galaxy apps for this watch. You can open up the store. I'm not gonna go through that, but you get the idea. They have the settings on here. Pretty good watch. The band is comfortable. It's like a silicone. I actually wore this watch for a little while, and it's a pretty comfortable band. Doesn't bother you. Don't really sweat too much with it on. And the heart rate monitor is actually on the back of it. pretty good. And there's other things like if you press and hold the home screen, you can scroll through the different faces and change the face of the watch. Change the faces of the watch. Come on. So, my verdict on the Samsung Galaxy Watch. Is it consumable? For me, yeah. But I think these types of products are very specific to the user. Me personally, I like this particular product. I'm gonna try some other smartwatches coming soon, some later videos, and I'm gonna compare them to this one. And to me, this watch is consumable, but it's kind of on the higher end of price range. This watch is I think about $360 or $370. I'm gonna try some more on a lower scale and some that are comparable to this one, and see which ones work out best, which ones are as good or better than this particular watch. But my verdict for today, is it consumable? For me and for certain consumers, I would say yes. If this is the type, if you're looking for a smartwatch from Samsung, if you ever get to go play with it, you might like it. That's all I can say. For me, it's consumable. I don't know, I can't speak for everybody because it's a certain market. It's a funny market. It's kind of like a cell phone. But my opinion, Samsung Galaxy Watch is very consumable. This has been Ronnie with Technically Speaking, and remember, don't be consumed. I'm out.